guys, welcome to an unboxing. This is the first time that I do this because normally I get my product, I open them, and then I do my shoppable videos. So as I'm an influencer and I just created my TikTok shop, super excited about that. Zero purchases on TikTok yet, but you can help with that. So I decided to start doing these unboxing, revealing products. So I get a lot from Amazon, and I just started also getting some product orders in with TikToks. I'm gonna see how that's gonna work out. So anyway, so welcome to Shaba's store. I do have a front store on Amazon, and I really hope to see you there. My niches would be home and kitchen, because I love cooking, and then also I love everything that is about home-based business, work from home, and also electronics, and sometimes some skincare and fashion, not too much though. So without any further ado, let's take a look at what's going on here. And just as an FYI, I don't know what's in here. Yes, I did place the orders a while ago, and sometimes I just forget what's coming in. So let's take a look at this first one here. The freedom of fitness. Honestly, I don't even remember when did I order this item here, but let's take a look. Ooh, my goodness, the seal is very well sealed. Maybe this side here. I removed the entire bag. Running joint. Don't you love it when you order something and then you completely forget what it is? Oh, it is a gym bra. This is fantastic. So I cannot wait to try it. So this is a gym bra. Yes, I did order that. All right, let's take a look at the second one. One of my biggest challenges is opening the boxes and the bags. Ooh, look at this beautiful American hat. And by the way, I'm gonna put all the affiliate links below. Ooh, this is really pretty. Cool, huh? How do I look? America, America. Yes, proud to be Americans. Okay, so this is gonna go over there. I did order this one. Alright, so this next one is, oh, love it, love it, love it. So this is a dual charger for the car. Like sometimes my phone will die, his phone will die, and then we're like arguing about all these different hooks. And because the car lighter, does anybody use that? So instead of having a car lighter for non-smokers, it's better to use it for this one here. So this is really cool. I am gonna do an entire video on this one because it's super useful as part of my car accessories that I love quite a bit. Okay, dookie. So 3 down and 3 more to go. Actually, 4 more to go. This one here. So this past week I got a couple of shoes. The cowboy boots, they are spectacular. So I went ahead and got more shoes. So let's look at this one. Ooh, this is really cute. But did I order the blue ones? I think I ordered either the black or the white. I would never ever order this color. I would never order this color just because I don't think I have clothes that goes with it. But hey, you know what? We'll figure it out. They seem nice, comfortable. I'll try them later. So all these products that I am showing you here, I'm gonna have shoppable videos on my store, so you can go check them out there. And I will link all the affiliate links below. And then don't forget to share my channel more like me. This is what I normally would order, like white or black or even brown. That blue, I have no idea where it came from. All right. So now getting product from Amazon just honestly because I feel like it's Christmas every day. My birthday a month ago and I couldn't think about anything that I want my husband to get me. So he's like, what do you want for your birthday? And I'm like, I don't know. Surprise me. But I got sick that day, so I spent the day in bed. Ooh, this is more like me. This is more my style as opposed to the other ones. So again, very nice Converse. They might be a little bigger. Maybe not. Because it says Europe 37.5. Yeah, they might fit nicely, but they look really cool. And I love this kind of shoe. My biggest challenge, guys, is opening the boxes. I can never seem to find an easy way to open the boxes. And then sometimes I get a box within a box, and then I open the big box, and all I see is like a little one inside. This is not how you open a box. I'm sure that these boxes are not designed to be open like this. If you open boxes like this, comment below or share a picture and experience. This is simply crazy. This is butchering a box, not opening a box. Ooh, this is a knife. I do buy quite a bit of knives on Amazon just because the quality is fantastic. So don't miss out on getting knives from Amazon. Last box. Let's take a look at the last box. It should open. Ooh, look at this one. Don't you get excited when you see these big boxes and see something tiny comes out of one? Another pair of shoes. So today I think I broke my record on the shoes that I ordered. Ooh la la. Nice. Look at this heel here. Beautiful. Wow. It's very well finished. I love the zipper is in the back, so that's nice. I will definitely try them. So I'm thinking about hosting some live YouTube sessions with the product that I have, just to show you what's going on in my world of Amazon influencer and TikTok shop, and it's called Shaba Shop. So you cannot go wrong with Shaba, and maybe there are products that I will be setting out. Maybe there will be some product that I will be. Wow, this is. So if you guys are interested in joining me live on YouTube to just look at different products and how I use them, comment below. I don't have a problem with that. I'm actually more of a live person. I love doing lives. I used to do a lot of lives once upon a time. I think it got in my head all the conversation that I'm hearing about, oh, what is your niche? And it needs to be edited. What's your thumbnail and hashtags? And so it got into my head, and I started literally overthinking everything to a point where I stopped doing as many lives. I stopped kind of showing my face live because that's really what I like. And I do take responsibility for that because I just should have done me and continue doing something that was working for me most of the time, sharing very genuine emotions and feelings. And since then, I kind of lost my way a little bit. And instead of being authentic and just genuine and coming out, I started overthinking the process of being out on social media to begin with. And somehow I became fearful of doing something that I usually enjoy doing, which is just being live. And this is why I'm doing it, record it. Normally I would just hit live and go live. But I want your encouragement to help me come out again and be myself and share my heart and everything that I go through in life, because that's how it should be. I hope you guys enjoyed these product that I shared with you and the whole unboxing experience. And I promise that I will be back on this channel, because I do have 2 other channels, more often sharing with you all my product that I buy on this channel on Shaba Shop. I will be sharing with you all the product that I enjoy using, that I like, that I dislike, and also share with you some recipes and how I use some of the product that I purchased. With this, I thank you guys for being here, for watching my unboxing #1 officially on here on YouTube. Hey guys, this is the first time you're here. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. That way, every time we are here live or recorded, you get notification and you can join us in this journey of discovery of the things that we like, we dislike, and we use, and why we use them. So thank you guys, and I will see you on the next one, and salam.